The third sort of the adverb we studied is a to-infinitive. A to-infinitive is composed with the preposition to and the object of the preposition to that has the form of a root infinitive. The definition of the preposition to is that the subject of the preposition to has a purpose. The purpose is the assumed experience, condition, or action that the subject intends to actualize later than the point in time when the subject of the preposition to exists. Then we can think of the relationship between the existence of the subject and the actualization of the assumed experience, condition, or action are linked as a consecutive unit. In this page, we will study on a verb of frequency to describe a verb that forms a consecutive unit of definitions with a to-infinitive. This consecutive unit of definitions is caused from the definition of the preposition to. There is a clause. The store usually sells the delicious rice cake to be sold. The adverb of frequency usually specifies the definition of the transitive verb sells, and the action indicated by the transitive verb sells is conveyed to the object of the transitive verb sells, the delicious rice cake. The existence of the object, the delicious rice cake, is the subject of the preposition to. The existence of the subject, the delicious rice cake, has a purpose to be in an assumed condition described by the phrase of the root infinitive be sold. This continuous conveyance makes a consecutive unit of definitions between the transitive verb sells and the preposition to. So, the adverb of frequency usually specifies the definition of the transitive verb sells and specifies the definition of the preposition indirectly via the transitive verb sells. The speaker applies the to-infinitive to be to reveal that the object, the delicious rice cake, to get the action indicated by the transitive verb sells, purposes to exist in an assumed condition. The action indicated by the transitive verb sells is actualized with the purpose to be conveyed to the object, the delicious rice cake, all the time, because the action and the condition are linked. The speaker applies the adverb of frequency usually to specify the definition of the transitive verb sells, to form a consecutive unit of definition with the phrase of the to infinitive to be sold.